So today we have we will be making some donuts with popin cookin. Wow.
So today we're going to be making donuts. 2 chocolate ones and 2 vanilla ones. And there's sprinkles. And we're going to see how it goes.
It looks like Sea Monkey supplies.
And as you can see, we have this little tray.
Perfect.
ASMR.
Stay tuned. On today's episode of Fine Dining, we have a nice pink Moscato.
Don't show the brand.
Good Mom. Cody Co. Anyway, you want to sample that? Clink.
Shots.
Shots. I just had one.
Oh.
I'll have another one. What is this video becoming? The people in the videos make this look really easy. And it didn't make this horrible noise. Oh, okay.
Shots.
I'll make the vanilla, you make the chocolate.
Well, are we supposed to use the same?
No, I think we can cut this.
No, look, that's this one. That's for the sauce.
What?
Fill the round depression, that's this. That oval with water. Can we use this water I drank from?
Shots.
This was a bad choice. It
Okay.
smells like Easy Bake.
I love Easy Bake.
Here's the spoon.
So we will be mixing it. So I'm now kneading the dough.
Cutting the wrapper to get these. Have you ever kneaded dough before?
Nope.
Okay. It shows.
Shots.
I'm just.
Whoa. Get it, Grandma. Hello, we're back. It is now 3:16 p.m. We started earlier. I'm molding the vanilla donuts, and Caroline is getting started on the chocolate. So these are the vanilla ones, and they just tell you to press it into the mold. So I took their advice and did that. And Caroline is mixing the chocolate.
It's not going great.
Do you have a technique you're using?
It's called Squish It. This is not Popin Cookin recommended or not recommended. It's just my own trademarked technique. So if you do use this technique, please remember to give me credit because I will be making money off of that and I will be suing. I'm a lawyer, so I'll be representing myself in court. And I'm still mixing. What time is it?
3:20 and she's still mixing. Will she ever get better? Take a look at my donuts. Look how cute they are. So I'm making icing now. We gotta speed up our process.
Should I just start to knead it?
Yeah. Mold it.
Mold it.
For tiny people, this is a cup.
What is this, a cup for?
Shots.
Take a shot every time I take a sip of my
Take a shot every time I take a shot. Fun drinking game. Insert a clip of me doing 16 shots in a row. Okay.
Shots.
Okay, do you want to get that?
Okay, 1 second.
Is it in that? Yeah, it is. 1 sec.
We're now decorating. They can't see anything.
Really add that flavor, and then
It's gonna be such a weird texture because it's not cooked.
it's not real food.
You're right. Oh, let me twist it up. Look very professional here. Oh,
Whoa. Whoa, not bad.
I'm gonna submit this as part of my resume for that bread baking job. You can't even see it.
Whoa.
It's a lot. Okay.
Carol's donut, my donut.
Okay, but I did this. Oh man. I did the stripes on yours, so.
Yeah, but everything else, mine.
Okay. So we have this, a combined effort.
Mm-hmm.
That was mine. Elise. And that was mine.
Yay. Oh, we're both doing chocolate. Perfect.
Shots.
It kind of has a texture of jelly. Like,
Mm-hmm. It's a really weird texture.
mm-hmm.
And the donut part doesn't really taste like anything.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't like the strawberry. I'm not really looking forward to this. I like this one better.
Mm-hmm. Me too.
I like the chocolate sauce better than the strawberry.
I kind of like the strawberry.
Would I want to eat it again? Not really. But it's fun.
Mm-hmm.
Shots.
Cheers to a good time.
Shots. Shots.
Thanks for joining us on this episode of Popin' Cookin' with Carol and Elise.